What's up, friends? Today we're going to make a video with some text over it in Canva with using our own video. So first thing you want to do is have the video on your desktop somewhere so we can upload it. Let's just go to here, type in mobile video. Once I'm there, I'm going to do create a blank mobile video because we're going to upload our own. Yes, you can do it in a template, but it's a little bit trickier, and I want to make this really, really simple for you to get started. Once I'm there, I'm going to go to upload files, and then I'm going to find the file that I have for the video. Mine is right here, singing. I'm going to open it. You can see it downloading. And what I want to do, once it finishes downloading, I'm going to take it, drag it over here. This is going to allow it to cover the entire screen. Let's make sure it plays. Good. Now, to add text over it, I'm going to click this text icon. Let's just choose this for right now. I'm going to click, drag it right over. I can change the color if I wanted to right here. I can undo it. I can change the effects of it right here, right here, right? But I'm going to make it just simple. So I'll click it again, bring it over, and we're testing our Canva video. Any unwanted text, you can just delete. You can size it however you want. Now let's just see how it looks just like how it is, right? Notice the text is not doing anything. If we want it to move or do anything, we'd have to go here, go back, click it. We can move it. I'm going to hit animate. Now, my favorite one is breathe. Let's see how that looks. Okay. Now, let's say I wanted to change that. My second favorite one is actually pop. Let's say we didn't want to use that at all. We can undo them. And let's try a new one. Maybe let's try tectonic. You can play with these on your own, but for right now, let's just leave it as that. Now, let's look at it in a full view. We have our video, some text over it. Of course, you can change the sizing, but no video is a video without some sound and some music. So let's go to elements. Let's scroll up until we see audio, see all, and now we have some options. You can also go from here to see options. Let's just go to the one that we saw called background music. We got some selections, and let's just pick one for now. We're not trying to be fancy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, drag it on the video, or I like to drag mine underneath so that I can play with the volume a little easier. You just right click volume and change it. Okay, now let's see our video. Okay, so that may not be one you want to use, but you can use any of the ones that you saw before. Let's do a different one. So we'll touch that, we'll delete. Let's drag this one so we can hear some action music. Now, the cool thing about this is if you right click it, you can change where the song starts so that you don't have a long intro. You just drag that. Let's play it. There was nothing above. I remember I felt it. There you go. Go make a video.